Unlocking your brain's potential, the science of meditation. What if I told you that just 10 minutes of meditation a day could rewire your brain, boost intelligence, and even slow down aging? Sounds too good to be true, right? But the science is there. Today, we're diving deep into what happens to your brain when you meditate. From brainwave changes to stress reduction and even enhanced creativity, this video will blow your mind. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share some surprising studies that reveal how meditation could change your life. Alright, so let's get right into it. What is actually happening inside your brain when you meditate? When you close your eyes, block out the distractions, and focus on your breath, your brain goes through some incredible transformations. First off, your brainwaves change. You've got these beta waves, which are associated with your normal waking consciousness. But when you meditate, your brain shifts into these slower alpha and theta waves. Alpha waves are associated with relaxation, that calm and alert state. And theta waves? Theta waves are linked to deep meditation, creativity, even those moments right before you fall asleep. But it's not just about brainwaves. Meditation also has a profound impact on your neurotransmitters, those chemical messengers in your brain. Think of dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals. Meditation cranks up the production of these guys, leading to improved mood, reduced anxiety, and better focus. And then there's the default mode network, or DMN. Studies show that meditation actually slows down the DMN, leading to greater mental clarity and focus. Let's talk about stress, man. We're all dealing with it. The daily grind, the pressure to succeed, the constant barrage of information. It's enough to make anyone crack. But here's the thing. Meditation has been scientifically proven to reduce cortisol, which is the hormone responsible for stress. It's like a chill pill for your brain. There was this fascinating Harvard study where they used MRI scans to look at the brains of people before and after they went through a mindfulness-based stress reduction program. After just 8 weeks of meditation, the amygdala, which is the fear center of the brain, actually shrank. That's wild, right? The study also found that the connections between the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex, which is the part of your brain responsible for rational thought and decision-making, became stronger. So, what does this all mean? It means that people who meditate regularly are less reactive to stress. They stay calmer under pressure and they recover from negative emotions much faster. When you meditate, you're training your mind to focus on the present moment, and that ability to detach from your thoughts, to observe them without getting swept away, that's a superpower when it comes to managing stress. You hear all this talk about meditation making you more peaceful, more present, but can it actually make you smarter? The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. And again, this isn't some mystical mumbo-jumbo, it's backed by science. Researchers at UCLA did this incredible study where they compared the brains of long-term meditators to those of non-meditators. And guess what they found? The meditators had more gray matter in their brains, especially in areas linked to memory, learning, and decision-making. We're talking about the hippocampus, the prefrontal cortex, all the important stuff. But here's the kicker, you don't have to be a Zen master to reap the cognitive benefits of meditation. Even beginners can see results. There was a study back in 2013 that found just 2 weeks of meditation led to a significant improvement in working memory and problem-solving skills. That's right, just 2 weeks. So how does this work? How does sitting still, focusing on your breath translate into a sharper mind? Well, it all comes down to neuroplasticity. Meditation actually changes the structure of your brain. It strengthens the connections between neurons, promotes the growth of new brain cells, and increases blood flow to the brain. It's like taking your brain to the gym. Meditation gives your brain a break, allowing it to reset, strengthen neural connections, and build new pathways. And that translates into better memory, improved focus, and enhanced cognitive flexibility. Alright, so we've talked about stress reduction, we've talked about boosting brain power, but are you ready for this? Meditation might actually slow down aging. I'm talking about aging at the cellular level. This is where it gets really mind-blowing. You see, inside our cells we have these things called telomeres. They're like the protective caps on the ends of our DNA strands, kind of like the plastic tips on shoelaces. And as we age, those telomeres naturally shorten. But here's the wild part. Scientists have discovered that meditation can actually increase telomerase activity, which is the enzyme responsible for protecting and even lengthening those telomeres. Longer telomeres mean slower aging and a lower risk of age-related diseases like heart disease, Alzheimer's, and even cancer. There was this groundbreaking study by Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn, who won the Nobel Prize for her work on telomeres. She found that people who practiced meditation regularly had significantly longer telomeres than those who didn't meditate. They were literally aging more slowly at the cellular level. Now, we're still in the early stages of research here, but the implications are huge. If meditation can actually slow down the aging process, that's a game changer. We're talking about potentially adding years to our lives, and not just any years, healthy, vibrant years. By now, you're probably starting to get the picture that meditation is more than just sitting cross-legged and chanting Om. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your brain health, reducing stress, and even potentially slowing down aging. But wait, there's more. Meditation has a whole host of surprising benefits that might just blow your mind. First up, creativity. We've all had those moments where we're stuck in a rut, creatively drained. Well, meditation can help with that. Studies have shown that meditation enhances divergent thinking, which is the ability to come up with new ideas and solutions. It's like unlocking a hidden reservoir of creativity within your brain. And then there's focus. In today's world of constant distractions, it's harder than ever to maintain focus. But just 10 minutes of meditation a day can significantly improve your attention span and productivity. It's like giving your brain a laser-like focus. But it's not just about thinking better, it's about feeling better too. Meditation has been shown to enhance emotional intelligence, which is the ability to understand and manage your emotions, as well as the emotions of others. This means stronger relationships, better communication, and a greater sense of empathy. And for all you insomniacs out there, listen up. Meditation can work wonders for your sleep. By calming the nervous system, reducing stress hormones, and quieting the mind, meditation helps prepare your body and mind for a restful night's sleep. The benefits of meditation are truly far-reaching. Okay, so by now you're probably thinking, all right, Joe, you've convinced me. Meditation is the real deal. But where do I even begin? I'm no monk. I can barely sit still for 5 minutes. Trust me, I get it. Starting a meditation practice can seem intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. First things first, find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. It doesn't have to be a dedicated meditation room. It could be your bedroom, your living room, even your office. Just make sure it's a space where you can relax and tune out the world for a few minutes. Next, get comfortable. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, you can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the ground, you can even lie down if you prefer. Just make sure your spine is straight and your body is relaxed. Now close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Don't try to control your breath, just observe it. You can even count your breaths if you find that helpful. As you focus on your breath, thoughts will inevitably arise. Don't judge yourself or try to fight them off. Just acknowledge them and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Start with just 5 or 10 minutes a day and gradually increase your meditation time as you feel comfortable. Consistency is key here. It's better to meditate for a few minutes every day than to try and squeeze in a marathon session once a week. Now, if you find it difficult to meditate on your own, don't worry. There are tons of guided meditation apps out there like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer that can guide you through the process. The most important thing is to be patient with yourself. Outro. So, can meditation really change your brain? Science says yes. From reducing stress and boosting intelligence to slowing down aging, meditation is one of the most powerful tools for improving your brain health. We're talking about real, tangible changes happening inside your head. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing science, and drop a comment below. Do you meditate? If not, will you start now? Let me know in the comments what you're curious about when it comes to meditation, brain health, and unlocking your full potential. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep that brain of yours firing on all cylinders. Please like and share this video, and comment your opinion on this video, and if you want to boost your brain power, then check description. I'll see you in the next video.